Yo, what's up? I just got this thing in the mail. In theory, sounds pretty cool. It's a induction cooktop. We'll see if it works. We'll go ahead and unbox it. It's still in the brown box. We'll go ahead and open it up. We'll grab, I guess, a pot or something like that, and we'll stick it on there and see if it works. So stick around. We're just gonna go ahead and open this up. And yeah, it's in here somewhere. Here it is. And just kind of throw that to the side. So here we are. This is the Aicok induction cooker. It's probably not how it's pronounced, but supposedly the way that this works is heat is created through a strong electromagnetic current, which is good if you need to heat something or cook something and you absolutely do not want to run the risk of having an open flame. Say if you were, I don't know, distilling or something of that nature. You certainly would like to do it in a different method. And we'll probably be doing some kind of science experiment to that effect here shortly. So let me go ahead and open this up, pull it out, and get this thing going. I'm going to end up stabbing myself, which would be hilarious. It's tough trying to fumble when there's a camera in front of you here. Come on, man. All right. Let me pause this crap, and I'll get it out and get it all set up. All right, so we managed to finally get this thing out of the package here. You get your warranty card, you get your user's manual, which importance. Yeah, importance. Okay, fair enough. Now the thing to remember with induction devices is that they have to be used with, I guess for lack of a better word, ferrous materials. So stainless steel, something that is labeled as being for use with an induction cooktop. Obviously glass will not work. I don't think copper works. Aluminum, and I would I would avoid cooking with aluminum anyways, if at all possible, just because things that tend to leach into your food, not too cool. So go ahead and unplug this guy, and we'll go ahead and plug him in somewhere over here in this mess. Okay, so that's upside down. There we go. We got power. All right, so as we see, there's absolutely no heat here. Please do not touch. Okay, I won't. So how do you know what you can use on your cooktop? Well, we've got one of our pots here, and the easiest way to tell if you're going to be able to use it to cook, get yourself a magnet, go to the bottom of the pan or the pot, whatever it is you're going to use, and if it sticks, well, you'll probably be good to use it for a cooktop. So we're going to go ahead and throw some cold water in here. And let that cool off. I'm only going to put about a cup and a half, 2 cups of water in there. We're going to set that on the cooktop. I don't know if I can get in closer. And let's see, I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. Select heating. Now let's go 320. We know that water boils at 200. And we'll take it to 430 degrees, which I think is a little silly, but let's go ahead and time this. See how long it takes. I'm going to try to zoom in. I suspect that it won't be very long at all. As a matter of fact, it's already starting to bubble. And So it seems to work fairly quickly. It probably sounds really loud in the video. There's a fan that's going that's I guess pulling heat or pushing or pulling cool air into maybe not fry the circuit board. Not really sure. Yeah, it's going fairly quick. So far we're about a minute in, I think. Let's see. Isn't this exciting? I get to watch water boil. Now that's, like I said, about a cup and a half, 2 cups of water. I suppose if you had more in there, it would take a little bit longer, but it's been a minute. About a minute and a half, 2 minutes now, if my clock is right over there. And you could probably go back and check the timer on the bottom of the video, but we're almost at a rolling boil, so that isn't bad. And like I said, I just set this to, what did I set it at? 430. So that's not too bad. Now the reason that I got this is because I actually need this for a process that requires no open flames, because that would certainly be bad juju. And it seems to be working pretty well. And we're now at about 2.5 minutes, I think, I'm not sure. We're boiling. It's crazy. All right, we're at a rolling boil. In about 2.5 minutes. Now, I'm pretty sure that we can, so we can zoom out, that we can hold it at that temperature if we want to. And I think, if memory serves me correct and I don't drop my tripod here, that we can go all the way from 140 to like 400 something. So let's see. And then as soon as we turn it off, no boil. All right. I'm sure there's probably some heat. Yeah, there's some heat there for sure. I'm not going to touch it because I'm not a ding dong, but there's a little bit of heat there. Now we'll turn it back on. And we'll go to our temperature again. 460 it looks like. 460 seems to be the max. It's boiling. And we can take it down to, let's see, 140 to 460 Fahrenheit. Okay. We know that there's 200, there's 220, and we've got a boil. We have a timer. We can, I guess, I don't know. I guess it would help if I read directions, right? But there's also a lock on here, so the kids can't get in here and goof around with it. I'm pressing everything. And I think we just hold it. Maybe. There we go. We've unlocked it. We can turn it on and go back to our temperature, and right away it'll start to boil again. So, pretty nifty. Again, if you're going to use an induction top, you have to make sure, let me dump this out. You have to make sure that it is able to be used on an induction top. So like I said, a magnet is the easiest way to figure that out. A lot of these, from what I understand, will come with magnets. This one did not. It's usually in the form of a label, and it says, hey, if you can stick this to the bottom of your pot or your pan, then you can use it. I think anything that's clad should work. Any kind of black metal, so cast iron for sure. Stainless steel, as long as you can stick a magnet to it. Aluminum is a no-no. Copper is a no-no. Ceramic, glass is not going to do anything. You're going to be sitting there staring at it all day. So there you go. Just a real quick look at what we got in the mail. And I think this thing will turn off actually after so many minutes of no input or anything. So seems to work pretty well. What we need. Catch you guys on the next one.